Hey everyone, Simply Makeup here. October Shop My Stash is about to begin. This is a recap on the September Shop My Stash, showing you the stuff that was used during September Shop My Stash. Some of the stuff I'm going to keep over and use it in October, which is my month. October is my month, my birth month. So let us pull out the new items that we are going to use in October. Let's go shop my stash. Come on along with me. I'm going to use this little basket. And again, this is what my stash looks like. The top, I have my pumpkin up there. I have my little pumpkin up there. And my palettes. This little Hawaii thing, you'll see it a lot. My sister wants to go to Hawaii. She said her dream one day is to go to Hawaii. So I leave it in a place where I see it every day and pray on it for her. Send out the positive energy that she'll make it to Hawaii one of these days. That's where you'll always see it there. Now, I have a lot of new palettes that I got in friend mail. But we are going to work with something different. It is fall season, it is Halloween season, Thanksgiving season, pumpkin spice is out, pumpkins are out. We are going to have a fabulous month of October. So let us shop. I have a lot of new palettes. I got this one as a free palette from Plain in Makeup by Yolanda. I'm gonna pull that. Then I have the Fenty that I purchased, which I want to try, so I'm gonna try that. We're pulling out a lot of palettes this month because we are going to play and motivate and encourage any and everyone who stops by, even if it's for a minute. So the next palette I am pulling out, I bought BH Cosmetics, 2 of them. I am going to take both out. For lip color, I need something else for lip color. I need an orange, I think. Let us see, I might need an orange. I have this Rare Beauty, it sometimes come out a little orange, so I'll pull that out. And I need another color. I have my black lipstick over by my, I always have my black lipstick close by, so I don't have to worry about that, but I need something else. Okay, I have this Avon. I have this Avon right here. The color is Poppy. I need a blush that I am going to pull out, and I will go with this one right here by Tammy, Makeup Revolution with Tammy X. That was her second collab with them. And I think that is all I need from my Shop My Stash this time, and I will explain why to you in a little while. Okay, so we are gonna make room. I'm going to take this blush palette away. I'm going to take the BH Cosmetic palette away, which I love very much. I'm gonna come back and revisit this one soon. It is a really nice palette formula is beautiful. So I'm putting it away for now. And I am putting away the lip colors also. Well, I need to keep one lip color. I am missing a lip color. This did not belong there. This is the new color. But these are the three colors. So I am going to take away one. I'm going to keep all three colors because these are light glossy. This and this is a light gloss, and this color I want to still use. So I'm saving. The reason why I am keeping the finishing powder by Charlotte Tilbury, the finishing powder by Black Radiance, the two face powders by Colourpop, and the Colored Rain bronzer. I will show you exactly why I'm keeping them. Give me a few minutes. This is why I'm keeping the powders. Almost done. This one been used very much, almost there. This finishing powder, almost there. The Charlotte Tilbury, almost there. This one has a nice dent going in, so that is why I am keeping them to use them again in October, because I want to finish them up. These are the new things I picked for Shop My Stash for October. I picked 4 palettes, 1 blush, and 3 lipsticks. Let me show you what they look like. These are the palettes for Shop My Stash. I have this one from Milani, this one from Milani, this is the one from Plain Makeup by Yolando, this is the lipsticks, these are the lipsticks, this is the Fenty, this is the Makeup Revolution Tammy X. So I have bronzer, blush, highlighter. So this is the Shop My Stash for October. And I also kept the liquid foundation from September. I kept the liquid foundation for September, just in case I want to use a liquid foundation. I'm trying to use up my products, so I try to recycle them often. So this is Shop My Stash. And Shop My Stash. For October, basket is empty. We have stuff to play with. Let us have fun. Let us create something beautiful. We are all beautiful people, and we're all creative people. Let us have some makeup fun in October. And as usual, I like to leave you with a little uplift me, encouraging word. Remember, movement is important. Movement in our daily lives is a very important thing. If you stand still too long, life will pass you by. Keep moving in the right direction. And when you're tired, remember to rest. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying, I will see you soon. Bye.